explaining exponential functions.
Before we start, I will tell you what is an exponential expression. An exponential expression is an expression of the form a multiplied by b raised to x minus c plus d, where b is greater than 0 and b not equal to 1. Next is the different types of exponential expression. First is the exponential function. An exponential function with base b is the function of the form fx equals to bx or y is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 or not equal to 0. Example, fx is equal to 2 raised to x. Its base is 2 or positive 2.
Next is exponential equation. An exponential equation is an equation involving exponential expressions. Example, 9 is equal to 3 raised to x. 3x plus 1 is equal to 27. 252x minus 2 is equal to 125. You can easily determine the exponential equation because of the equal sign.
And next, exponential inequality. An exponential inequality is an inequality involving exponential expressions. Example, 9 is greater than or equal to 3 raised to x. 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to 27. Another example is 256x minus 2 is greater than 125. You can easily determine this exponential inequality because of the inequality symbols: the greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Now, we will determine whether the expression is a function, equation, or an inequality. Number 1. fx is equal to 2x raised to x. It is a function because of the fx. Next is 3x plus 1 is equal to 81. It is an equation because of the symbol equals. Next, number 3. 3x minus 1 is less than 9. It is an inequality because of the symbol less than. Number 4 is 2x is equal to 16. It is an example of equation because of its equals. Lastly, number 5, fx is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. It is an example of function because of the fx. Remember,
Now, let's give an example
function
exponential equation. Okay, example 1. (3x is equal to 27). Now, mag-isip tayo ng number na kapag minultiply natin is magiging 27. Pag minultiply natin sa sarili niya is magiging 27. So, 3x is equal to 3 cube. Then, we will cancel the 3. Yung dalawang 3 sa baba, ika-cancel natin yan. Then, we will bring down the x and 3. Now, let's do the checking. Okay, checking. Sulat lang natin yung kanina, yung sa taas. 3x is equal to 27. Yung nakuha nating x is isa-substitute natin dun sa x na nakalagay dun. So, 3 raised to 3 is equal to 27. Then, it will be 27 is equal to 27. Then, that's it. Okay.
Here's is another example. Okay.
Another example. Let's give
2
another
raised to
example.
x is equal to 32. Sorry, medyo magulo yung camera. So, mag-isip tayo ng number na kapag minultiply natin sa sarili niya is magiging
Is
32.
equal to 4.
So, it will be 2x is equal
Raised to
to
5. Ngayon naman, papalitan naman natin, gagawin naman natin si
raised
x
to
katulad nung nasa kabila.
5.
So, it will be
Next, we will
4
cancel the 2.
raised to
Alisin natin
x
yan.
is equal to
Then, yung matitira is ibababa natin.
5. Ay, raised to 5.
Magiging
Then, cancel
x
the 4.
is equal to
And
5.
x is equal to
Then,
5.
proceed sa checking. Copy lang natin yung equation kanina. 2x is equal to 32. Then, we will substitute yung 5 na nakuha natin. So, magiging 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Then, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. And, that's it. Ganun lang. And, yun lang po ang laman ng ating discussion. Salamat po sa panonood. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking mga ginawa at sinabi, na-explain sa mga nilalaman nito. Yun lang. Thank you.